Kate with Sun Pumps here. Today we're going to do a quick introduction of the various lines of submersible solar pumps that we have to offer. I'm going to start out introducing our SDS line of pumps. These are a great, versatile, cost-effective line of pump that we actually started producing back in the 1980s. This pump has stood the test of time. It's great for do-it-yourselfers. It's capable of doing about half a gallon a minute up to about 4 gallons a minute, and can go down to depths of about 230 feet. Next in our lineup is our SCS line of pumps. This pump resembles more of what you'll traditionally see in your AC line of well pumps that many of you are familiar with. This pump here is an extremely versatile line of pump though. We can get up to about 200 gallons a minute and down to depths of about 600 feet. Obviously with that comes different parameters and flow rates that we can juggle depending on the needs of what you need. This pump is another one that we manufacture here in Arizona. Designed, manufactured, built. We've been doing it since about the 1990s. So this pump has been another one that has stood the test of time. Lastly, I want to introduce our HR and HS line of pumps. These are a newer line of pumps for us that we've had for about 5 years now. They do a couple things for us in that they offer the AC/DC versatility that a lot of the market has grown to like with the solar pumping. So this particular pump has that feature. We have various ones. This one here is a HR, which stands for Helical Rotor. We also have our HS, which is a centrifugal version. In this lineup, we can get up to about 35 gallons a minute and down to depths of about 750 feet. Extremely versatile. A bunch of different options we can do with these, from monitoring to switches to just about anything you'd ever want to do. So this has been a really good pump for us. Competes with a lot of the other major European brands. Something we're really excited to offer. Thanks for watching our introduction video to our submersible line of solar pumps. Today we went over a brief introduction to the SDS, our HR, and SCS lines of pumps. With these different lines of pumps, we can cover a wide range of applications and do just about anything you're looking to do with your solar application. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, just want to talk to one of us on the phone, give us a call at 928-348-9652 or visit us at sunpumps.com. Don't forget to like and follow.